Right, Jorge, it was a really interesting opening. What was your initial thought about what you have seen here?
The first one, I think we are facing quite the same problems in our countries, in our transmission companies as well. So it's to share these experiences, above all related with the blackouts that we suffer in the Peninsula Iberica and also in Chile, is an important element to improve our grids, the resilience of our systems, and to be more prepared for the future. I think it has been a very important opening for this Congress.
That's good to hear. So do you also see that strategic asset management could be an enabler for the challenges that we have ahead, right? So we talk about resilience, we talk about digitalization, we talk about the energy transition and the consequences of that. Do you feel that asset management is now more important than it was before or considered? How is that in your company, for example?
Yeah, good question, because we have started probably 5 or 4 years ago with more accelerated way the incorporation of the asset management perspective in our company. So we have seen in our companies a stabilization of better performance, also lower cost for our operation. So considering that, as a conclusion, certainly an asset management, strategic asset management is a good enabler for our companies, above all in companies when we are facing these kind of pressures that we are facing today in Europe and also across the world. So, but in experience in our company, when we are facing the challenge of managing aging assets for us that they have to be replaced, the opportunity of these replacements is very important to do that. And the strategic asset management is the key for doing in a very well prepared.
So how do you perceive ITAMS? Do you perceive that as what does it mean for you, ITAMS, in the light of what we have been discussing so far?
For us, ITAMS is I think it is the most important opportunity for us to share and to collect information from others in order to improve. We also, it's a quite characteristic of Chile. We usually see how Europe is doing the things, and also North America as well, because they are more advanced countries. So it's for us to collect information and also to provide our experience in terms of energy transition and the generation matrix for us, and how we manage the transmission companies or the transmission assets, how adapt to and provides flexibility to improve that kind of. So the ITAMS is the key element for us to share that information, to collect the new information, and to reshape the future for our company and for the assets as we manage.
Thank you. It's good to hear that you perceive ITAMS as such. This is also what we try to get across. One last question from my side. If you would have a magic wand and you would look into your operations, I'm not talking about our private lives, of course, because then one magic wand is not enough. But if you have one magic wand for the operational side of things, what would be the first thing that you would change?
Today for us, and today the near future is the moving forward faster, very faster in terms of digitalization. Monitoring and observability of the system, observability of our assets, and how is the health in each of them. It's an important element that we would like to have today, but we have to work a lot for getting that.
All right. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy our coffee. Thank you
so much.
It's much appreciated. Thank you.